Hi, I'm Dr. Nocella of Farmington. I'm working with Club Wolverine. We are taking care of the elite athletes to make them better swimmers. When their spine has less pressure on it and has less curvature, except for in the right places, they can swim faster, swim better, and with less stress and less pain on their bodies. We're finding already that it's been tremendous difference for them. They're moving better in the water. They're feeling better in general life. It's a very good program.
Can we clap after?
Right there. It's quite as ever, Mark. Raise right there and blow a whole bunch. Good, a little more. Good. Have a seat. There you go.
Yeah. Thank you.
You're welcome.